Hey guys, I found this lovely maestro. Look at this. It's a clubman turbo, but turbo in the back. What a machine. I just love it. Look at the rack at the top of that wooden rack as well. Look at those. What's it? Steel rims. I had last tax was 2015 on classic. Could be tax exempt now, isn't it? So, yeah, slightly faded bonnet. I looked at the size, 108,000 miles on it. I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I just love the ramshackle look of it. Boot as well, beauty. Clubman, it's a Clubman Urbo, which made me laugh. What a machine. Yeah, that was just part of the street and that's a super mare, but there's a chap not far from here, about 10-12 miles, who has got 3 of them parked in a row and they call him Mr. Maestro Man. Cheers guys.